Windows play a significant role in both the functionality and appearance of your home. In Knoxville, where weather can vary from humid summers to chilly winters, the right windows can make all the difference in maintaining comfort, reducing energy costs, and enhancing curb appeal. However, choosing and installing new windows isn't a simple task, especially if you want to ensure their performance and longevity. This is where professional window installation comes in. Opting for a professional service to install your new windows in Knoxville provides numerous benefits that will not only enhance your home's look but also improve its energy efficiency, security, and overall value. Here's why investing in professional window installation is a smart choice for Knoxville homeowners. Expertise and experience. One of the primary advantages of hiring professionals for window installation is their expertise and experience. Installing windows may seem straightforward, but it involves more than just inserting a window into a frame. Proper installation requires precise measurements, correct sealing techniques, and a thorough understanding of how windows function in relation to your home's structure. Professional installers have the experience to handle all aspects of window installation, from selecting the right type of window to ensuring that it fits perfectly. Their expertise ensures that the windows are installed securely and function optimally. Whether you're installing traditional double-hung windows, modern casement windows, or custom-designed options, professionals ensure that each window is installed to manufacturer specifications, reducing the risk of issues like air leaks, moisture buildup, or drafts. Improved energy efficiency. Knoxville's weather can be extreme, with hot, humid summers and cold, sometimes snowy winters. Your windows play a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable temperature indoors by preventing heat from escaping during the winter and blocking hot air from entering during the summer. Professional installation ensures that your new windows are properly sealed, insulated, and aligned, which maximizes their energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames, work to reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. Proper installation is key to preventing air leaks, which can otherwise lead to higher energy bills. By hiring professionals, you can ensure that your new windows will help lower your heating and cooling costs, making your home more comfortable and cost-effective to maintain. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows significantly impact your home's curb appeal, and they are one of the first things visitors or potential buyers notice. Professional window installation allows you to choose from a variety of styles, materials, and finishes that complement your home's architecture. Whether you're replacing old windows or updating your design, professional installers help you pick windows that match your desired look, from traditional styles to modern designs. With a professional installation, you can be sure that your new windows will align perfectly with your home's design, boosting its aesthetic value and curb appeal. A well-installed, attractive set of windows can enhance the exterior of your home, making it more inviting and adding to its overall charm. Increased security and safety. Your windows are essential for both the security and safety of your home. Poorly installed windows can leave gaps or weak spots that make your home more vulnerable to break-ins or other issues. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are installed securely with proper locking mechanisms and sturdy frames, providing better protection for your family and property. Additionally, high-quality windows can offer enhanced security features, such as impact-resistant glass, which is ideal for homes in areas prone to storms or break-ins. With professional installation, these features are optimized, making it harder for intruders to break in while keeping your home and loved ones safe. Long-term durability. When you invest in new windows, you want them to last for many years. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are installed correctly, extending their lifespan and preventing early wear and tear. Proper installation prevents issues such as warped frames, poor seals, and other problems that can arise from incorrect placement. In Knoxville's changing weather conditions, a poorly installed window can lead to problems such as moisture damage, condensation, or even structural damage over time. By hiring professionals, you're not only ensuring that your windows will look great immediately but also that they'll continue to perform well and stand the test of time. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers offer warranties for their windows, but these warranties often come with stipulations regarding proper installation. If your windows aren't installed correctly, you may void the warranty, which can lead to costly repairs down the line. Professional window installers are trained to meet manufacturer standards, ensuring that your warranty remains intact. This peace of mind is invaluable. If any issues arise with your windows after installation, you can rest assured that they will be covered under the warranty, provided the installation was handled by certified professionals. Saves time and effort. Window installation can be a time-consuming process, especially if you lack the proper tools, experience, or expertise. Professional installers handle all the details, from taking precise measurements to disposing of old windows, which saves you time and hassle. They can complete the job much faster than an average homeowner could, reducing the disruption to your daily life and getting your windows functioning as soon as possible. Boosted property value. If you plan on selling your home in the future, newly installed windows can increase its market value. Buyers are often attracted to homes with high-quality, energy-efficient windows that promise lower utility bills and modern aesthetics. A professional window installation adds value to your home by improving its energy efficiency, curb appeal, and security features, making it more desirable to potential buyers. Final thought. Professional window installation offers numerous benefits for homeowners in Knoxville. From improving your home's energy efficiency and boosting its curb appeal to increasing security and ensuring long-term durability, investing in professional installation is a smart decision. Whether you're replacing old windows, upgrading your home's design, or preparing to sell, a professional window installation service ensures that the job is done right the first time. With the help of skilled professionals, you can enjoy the lasting comfort, savings, and beauty that new windows bring to your home.